Alright everyone, so this next trash can recipe is going to be Mountain Dew apple croissant or crescent treats. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, Yames here. I just wanted to say I hope you liked the video. There's more to come. If you watch this one to the very end, you'll be able to hear a song I wrote, recorded, and am singing. Wrote it quite a few years ago. I am a singer-songwriter also. But please subscribe, hit that like, hit that bell. That way you'll be notified every time I come out with something new. In the description. Have fun, stay safe, peace out. Okay, and for this recipe, I've got me a Gala apple, I guess that's how you pronounce it, some crescent rolls, croissants, some Mountain Dew, and sugar. And that's all we're going to need for this apple treat from the trash can. Alright, hang tight, let's put it together. Okay, for this apple trash can treat, as you can see, I've cut my apple in half, cut out that little core center, and sliced up some slices. That's the first step to that. Hang tight, we're going to get it keeping it on going there. Alright, for the apple croissant deal, as you can see, I've got two different croissants out there, and I've put a slice of apple on it, and I'm just going to sprinkle some sugar all along there. And we're going to take it and roll it up, just like you would a regular croissant. Alright, and we're going to repeat this process until you make however many you want, and I'm going to sprinkle some sugar. You'll see. Hang tight. Let's get it going. Alright. Okay, just going with that many. Next step, Mountain Dew. Just pour your Mountain Dew all across the top. Make sure you have a little bit of layer in the bottom there. And then you sprinkle it with some more sugar. Yep. And that's ready for the oven, grill, or whatever way you're going to try to cook it. Alright, hang tight. Let's see what happens. Okie dokie. Here's our apple treats. Oops. Be careful. I'm going to sit that right on there. Covered it in aluminum foil. We'll set that back on top, but I got to use my gloves because that's pretty hot. We'll get back to you. We'll check this out too. Peaches are great. Oh, and apple treats are too. Okay, so I just took the apple treats off the fire. You can see that the croissants are starting to do their deal. And I've uncovered it, and what I'm going to do is gently pour off that excess Mountain Dew, if I can. And hopefully they won't slide out. Just leave a little bit in there. And I'm going to leave them uncovered. And I'm going to put them back on there. I'm going to take my bucket. If I can do that one-handed somehow. Oh, good Lord. Alright, I'm going to cover them back up. Just within a matter of minutes, those will be done. Alright. Hang tight. Looking good. Gonna be good. Okay, let's check on these apple treats. Whew. It's taking a little bit longer than the, oh wow. Looking good, looking good. I know it looks like it's not, but it is. And, alright, just a couple more minutes, and those will be done. Let's see. Yep. Alright. Just a few more minutes, and those will be alright. Might add a little bit more Mountain Dew, but hang tight. Alright, let's check this. I added just a little bit more Mountain Dew. Whew. Man. That's looking pretty good. Of course, we can hear neighbors doing all kinds of stuff around the area. I'm not out in the country anymore. I mean, I'm in the country, but I'm just not out in the country. Those are pretty much just about done. I'm gonna cover them up for about another 5 minutes. And yeah, those will be done. Hang tight. Alright, and there you go. The apple treats from the trash can. They're still pretty hot, but whew. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Good stuff, good stuff. Gotta watch it and pay attention to it when it's on the fire and stuff. But anyway, Mountain Dew apple treats in a trash can. There you have it. Alright.
Gather some things and load up a truck. Get off the blacktop, throw a lot of mud. Build a big fire by the creek side. Hold my baby in the firelight. Flip up a lid on some moonshine. Gonna get us a little bit of love. Get a buzz, something like that. You ready? Having some fun underneath the stars, out in the country just that far. Build a big fire by the creek side. Hold my baby in the firelight. Flip up a lid on some moonshine. Gonna get us a little bit of love. Get a buzz. I know. Way on out there. 4-wheel drive. Moonlight. Come on. Gather some things and load up a truck. Get off the blacktop, throw a lot of mud. Build a big fire by the creek side. Hold my baby in the firelight. Flip up a lid on some moonshine. Gonna get us a little bit of love. Get a buzz. Oh yeah. Come on. Gather some things and load up a truck. Get off the blacktop, throw a lot of mud. That's right. Let's go.